So I'm in Hobby Lobby, as you guys can see, and I found the vinyl paper that I noticed that people use to create their decals for the nails. So I've been thinking about doing it myself instead of like buying them, but I don't know for sure yet. And then over here, look at all these stickers. Over here is the, what is this called? Cricut? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I've been eyeing this for a while. So I just have to take that leap and see if that's what I want to do. But they have so many colors, but we'll see. And then I found these bottles that I'm probably going to use for like monomer. So even though I already got some bottles, but I keep changing my mind about how I want them stored. And then I found these, so I'm probably going to use these for all the loose glitters that I have. So yeah, I thought this was good. Super cute, and it's clear just the way I like it. So last time I was in Hobby Lobby, instead of getting those striper tapes from Amazon, I ended up getting these, which are a little bit thicker, but I prefer these a lot better. They're more easier to work with the striping tape. I have a love-hate relationship with them. These are on the thicker side, but I got these. I don't know if you guys seen my video on these when I did my desk tour, but yeah, these are super cute. Look at what I found. So this would be totally cool for those sticker sheets. I mean, I'm not gonna buy it, but if you guys are interested, it's at Hobby Lobby, and this is so cool. If I had the space, I would probably get it, of course in white, but this is pretty neat. I have found the Swarovskis, or however you pronounce it, I'm still not sure, but here they're $4.99. I don't know if that's their regular price, because I don't think I've bought any from Hobby Lobby before. But look at these hot pink ones. Oh, I think I'm gonna get the neon ones. They're super shiny, super cute. So I might grab a couple. Grab some of the neon ones. There's 28 piece. So you guys let me know if that's a good deal. These are $5.99. They're a little bit more. I'm not sure why. But I think I'm gonna grab some of these red ones. I'll probably go big. Whoops, dropped one. So we'll see. I like these blue ones too. I really want to grab them all. Look at how shiny. Ooh, these black ones are so cute. Hi guys, so I am done at Hobby Lobby. I didn't find the charms that I was looking for, that I imagined in my head. So, but I did come out with more storage stuff. And I'm pretty excited about this one particular thing that I found, which I'm going to show you guys when I get home. But I only grabbed a few things. I didn't really grab a lot this time, so because I already bought like so much stuff from the last time we went shopping. So yeah, next time you see me, I'll be home and I'm gonna show you the stuff that I did find. Hey guys, so I am back home, and the first thing that I want to show you that I got was this brush set. The only brush that I'm really interested in is this one for my 3D work. I couldn't find it individually, so I got the whole set. I mean, I'm sure I can probably use these for something else, but yeah, that's the only one that I'm interested in right now. I haven't been able to find a good 3D brush that I like working with, so hopefully this one is it. So yeah, I just bought this whole set. Next thing that I got is this storage organizer. It contains 28 stacked jars. So I needed another one. And again, I like it because it's clear. So pretty much it's gonna look like this. Last night I took out all my glitters and little shells that I had to still put away, and I put them in these containers that I bought in my last haul. So I did this last night. And so this is what pretty much this is. And I still have a lot more loose glitter like in baggies, so I'm gonna probably put it in these. Or I might just put these dead flowers that I have and the other ones that I have in my drawer and move them into here instead of keeping them in this little container, which I can, but everything I have so far is in containers like this, so I might move them around. I still have more flowers in my drawer, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what I do. Next thing that I got is this squeeze bottles for 10 ounces. I wanted this for the monomer maybe, or alcohol or acetone, I don't know. Right now I do have it in this little bottle. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there yet. I keep changing my mind about where I want my monomer. I'm just trying to look for the best practical way where I can have it at. So yeah, I got these and I like them again because they're clear, they're white, so it's going with everything that I have so far. So I love it. The next thing that I got and that I'm actually really excited about is this brush holder. I love this thing because I can put my brushes in here instead of having them laid down, so while I'm working. So this was, honestly, I was very excited about buying this and finding this. It's a bead tube holder, so it's supposed to be, I don't know, it was in the jewelry aisle. So yeah, I was really excited about this. I thought at some point it was going to be like really short and it wasn't going to hold my brushes, but it's going to hold them just fine. So this is just for when I'm working. Instead of laying them down, I can just pop them in here. So yes, I'm excited about this one. All right, next thing that I got is this little these little rings. And the reason that I got them is because I don't know if I told you guys or not yet, but I got a nail piercer. So pretty much where you can put, you pierce into your nail and you can put like little charms and stuff to dangle like that. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I went to Hobby Lobby to look for charms, but I didn't find any that I liked or that I envisioned I wanted. So I got these instead. I'm gonna keep looking for charms that I can add to these rings, but yeah, I got them in 3 different colors. So rose gold, gold, and silver. And if you guys want to know, it is 6 mm round. And I just matched them up to pretty much the size of this one. This one I got from Amazon, so I just matched them up to make sure that it was going to fit in the hole that I make. So yeah, I got this. Next thing that I picked up is the Swarovskis, and I absolutely love them. They're 28 piece, I believe. Well, no, they're not 28 piece, all of them. These are 28, these are 32, and then I have a 36 piece one over here. These were, I think, 40% off. Yeah, I think I saw on the receipt they were 40% off or something like that. Let me double check. So yeah, it looks like they were 40% off, so I grabbed a couple. I'm absolutely loving the neon ones, especially right now for summer. They're super cute, super bright, and I absolutely love them. Oh, I didn't grab the blue ones. Oh well. Of course, as you all know, I love a purple, so I got the purple ones, like a little darker purple. And then I got these, which are super shiny, and of course I got black. So yeah, these are the ones that I got, unless I'm missing some more in the bag. One sec. Okay, so there's no more in the bag. These are all I got for right now. So yeah, I love these. All right, next thing that I got, obviously it's not nail related, but I got Reese's Almond Joy and Peanut M&Ms, which FYI is my favorite. So if you guys ever want to send me my favorite candy, there you have it, you guys. All right, now back to the nail stuff. Okay, next thing that I got is this rotating craft caddy, which I loved from the second I saw it. So I really want this for when I got a bigger table. I don't necessarily need it right now because my table is so small, but I wanted to grab it just in case I never saw it again. So I love it. It has a holder in the middle, a cup holder, which I can put my brushes and stuff in here. And then of course the little organizer is on the side. So yeah, this thing I absolutely loved. So hopefully I'm able to figure something out so I can get a bigger table and, I don't know, put it in another corner somewhere in my house for now. So yeah, Love this thing. All right, so the next thing and the last thing that I got is this, what's it called? Claytex Embossing Set. And I have an idea of what and how I want to use it. So it includes 160 alphabet numbers and symbol tiles. And it looks like it has a storage pouch and a tile holder. So if I have time, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I want to use this, how I envisioned it in my head it would work. So hopefully it turns out how I want it to turn out. So let me see if I can demonstrate how I want this to work. So 1 second. Okay, so here are like the little stamper mold things, whatever you guys want to call them. So let me just show you guys how I planned in my head how I was going to use them, or how I plan to use them. Now guys, this is just a rough draft, okay? This is not the final. So probably still gonna have to mess with it and stuff, but let me just see if I can do what I envision in my head I can do with these. All right, so just bear with me. All right, so first I'm gonna use the cover rose as my base. So I'm just gonna lay it down. And I'm not gonna do this perfectly, you guys, because again, it's just a rough draft. All right, so I'm just gonna wait till it dries up a little bit. Okay, so I'm grabbing the D for Denise. And I'm just gonna press it in. And now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, so now that it's dry, I'm gonna go in with this hot pink, and I'm looking right now and I don't think it's gonna work how I want it to because the letter is backwards. And then my thought process was just to fill it in. Wait till that dries, and then I'm gonna file it off. So as you guys can see, I put the letter backwards, but it's okay. Again, like I said, it's a rough draft. So now what I'm gonna do is just file the color. So you wanna make sure that when you do press down on the letter, you put it in as deep as you can. And again, I didn't put a lot of base color, but let's see. Ouch. So you guys see how the letters are coming along? So, yep, this is exactly how I envisioned it. Let me just move the dust off. Excuse the mess. But yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to do. This is exactly what I wanted this letters for. I absolutely love this. And like I said, I held it backwards, as you can see. So there's the D. But yes, this is exactly what I wanted those for. So I'm so glad that I got those. And I can't wait to do a full set of these letters and see what I can come up with. So yeah, this is the end of the video. That was my little haul from Hobby Lobby. Again, if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for your support. You guys have a great, awesome weekend. Bye.